Well, could you please tell us something about your work on this exhibition management project with Rebecca for example?
Well, I'm showing here a painting. It's a specific painting. I call it salt water aquarelle. It's actually I'm painting with salt water, and it's a technique that I developed the last years, and I let the salt crystallize on the surface. So the crystals are growing actually on the spot, and that's why in these pictures is a specific harmony, because each crystal grows where it has to grow.
In India, you study yoga and philosophy. What is the impact on your work from this experience you have?
My work is always concerned about the process. Like yoga, philosophy is about the process of life and how we live this process. And it's the same with my work. My work is always a balance, to create a balance of the elements. So this is a technique that I developed by studying art and in the last years. But the process of solution and crystallization is what actually is the medium I'm using. I'm using water and the process of solution and crystallization. That's what we do in our lives as well.
How do you feel in the dialogue with other artists in this exhibition? How does it work? Because Rebecca carried as a curator and also as an artist working. And it was, as she said yesterday, it was kind of a dialogue. And how does this work for you with others? Do you like working on this kind of project with others? And that actually there is a dialogue between sounds as well and different paintings or drawings? How does this work for you?
Absolutely.
Great. And do you do it often, or is this first project like that with Rebecca?
No, I'm always working with people. I'm always working with in group exhibitions or in artist groups. So this is like a result of my personal working process. But I have a lot of installations and projects where I work together with people. And there's not like one author. This is my art. It's really like the whole thing.
So you also work in a collective to make an art. So how about my work? Do you like it?
I like it very much. It's great people, great artists.